Hundreds have turned out in Winchester today for Chinese New Year celebrations. It's the first time the city has been chosen as a location by Hampshire Chinese Association. A colourful spectacle, including dragon and lion dancing, took centre stage, as Derek Johnson now reports.
Dragons in the street as Winchester comes out for a special event.
Chinese New Year is really important to, especially to the overseas Chinese families. And it's not just for celebrations, it's like a cultural identity. We try to gather all the Chinese community and all the community together to celebrate this special event.
In Hampshire, there are annual parades to mark the Lunar New Year. This is the first time they've come to Winchester.
Hampshire Chinese thought it would be a wonderful location to host the Chinese New Year celebrations. It's a wonderfully cultural city, and the two cultures coming together is just a wonderful opportunity, bringing people together, inclusion, diversity, and people sharing the culture in the city. It's a fantastic opportunity.
2026 is ushering in the year of the fire horse. In Chinese tradition, this animal's sign in the zodiac, they come in 12-year cycles, signals energy and independence.
Because today is the 5th day of the Chinese New Year, and also in Chinese calendar, it is the god of wealth birthday. So everyone give the space to welcome the god of fortune.
There will be a lantern festival in Southampton next Saturday. Another important New Year tradition. Derek Johnson, ITV News, Winchester.